Now to our continuing coverage of COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention are now forecasting the U.S. death toll from COVID-19 related causes could be more than 500,000 by the middle of next month.
On the same day President Joe Biden was sworn into office, the nation saw one of its deadliest days since the pandemic began. Johns Hopkins University says more than 4,200 Americans died Wednesday alone.
We're entering what may be the toughest and deadliest period of the virus.
This 78-year-old nurse in Alabama was dealing with a form of leukemia when she contracted COVID-19. She died from the virus the day before her birthday inside the hospital where she devoted her life to helping patients.
Her thought pattern was, I just got to make it to that vaccine. You know, guess what? She did. She did.
January is on track to be the deadliest month of the pandemic so far. In hard-hit California, morgues and funeral homes pushed to the limit.
We just can't keep this pace up because we're working 24 hours a day.
But the new administration says it's armed with a plan to beat the virus. Biden already signed an executive order mandating masks on federal properties, and his team is aiming for 100 million shots in the first 100 days in office by increasing distribution and opening up community vaccination centers.
He says he's going to do everything that he needs to do to make sure we have a successful rollout of the vaccines, get it into people's arms, and get as many people vaccinated as we possibly can.
Areas like Southern California opening mass vaccination sites and smaller centers in high-impact neighborhoods.
Not everybody can get to our SuperPod site at Disneyland. We understand that, so we're coming to you.
We need to keep picking up that pace, led by equity, led by safety, but paying close attention to the speed of getting people vaccinated across our state.
Under the new administration, the U.S. has also rejoined the World Health Organization, which former President Trump pulled the country out of in the midst of the pandemic. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.